Ta-da! So Annie is doing the lights inside Fergus.
This is unreal.
Hi guys, it's been a while since our last adventure, but today we are going to one of our favourite parts of Ireland to celebrate a van life Christmas together. And joining us on our trip we have our little furry friend DJ, who is trying his paw at van life for the first time, so let's see how he gets on. It feels so good to be back in Fergus after 2 months of not travelling in it. We are so excited to be back in Fergus in Ireland because we haven't been in Ireland in Fergus in like 2 years. So it's a very exciting trip, so come with us to celebrate a van life Christmas.
And we have finally made it to 𝗪𝗧 here in Donegal. It should have taken us 3 hours, but with Fergus lightning speed, it took like maybe 4.5. So because it's winter, it's almost dark. So we are here at a beach with DJ, and we are going to be going to one of the best pubs in Ireland for dinner. So we are super excited and very hungry as well.
So we've just made it to our park up, which is only 2 minutes away from the beach, and we can't celebrate Christmas without having Christmas decorations. So we are going to turn Fergus into the ultimate Christmas bus. So we have loads of decorations with us, so let's get decorating. The tree.
Wait, where do you see the size of this?
It's right here.
Ta-da!
It's so cute.
Lights,
Perfect.
lights on everything.
Does it work? Oh, it does.
Would you look at that?
Feliz Navidad, everybody. So next up are some lights. DJ, are you ready for the lights? Hey!
So what do you make of your Christmassy van?
I love it. I didn't think it was going to be this good.
I think we have to wait until tonight to see the proper
All the lights.
effect.
Yeah.
We still have more lights. We might put more lights around the bumper.
Yeah, I think we should. The more the better. Let's go.
Let's go. So Annie is doing the lights inside Fergus because this bus is going to be like a party bus.
You're gonna see it from work. Do you like Christmas, DJ? Huh? What do you think of the decorations? I have a new van life buddy. Sorry, Shane. Huh? Do you like van life, DJ? Do you like van life?
So now that we are back in Ireland, we have no way of heating the van. It is absolutely freezing here in Ireland. We don't have a diesel heater. All we have is our silk bags, but we got this plug-in heater, which is I think 600 watts. So we are going to be using the 𝗙𝗢𝗟600 to plug this here into and keep the van warm throughout the night. And this video is actually sponsored by Foxeon, and we are going to be using the 𝗙𝗢𝗟600 to heat the van throughout the night, and also using the 𝗙𝗢𝗡1200 tomorrow to cook our Christmas dinner. So there's going to be more about Foxeon tomorrow, but I just want to say a huge thank you to Foxeon for sponsoring this week's video. Okay, so I really think we need to get a diesel heater.
We do.
We've got the heater on the Foxeon, and it is so warm because outside it is absolutely freezing.
But inside too.
This is what we've been like for the last 5 minutes. Just trying to warm our hands while TJ is laying sleeping.
They were the best wings that I have ever tasted.
Shane has like a ranking of chicken wings, and the roasted mackerel is in #1. And Wayne, is it?
#1.
#1 is the roasted mackerel. So if you are around here, make sure to check the chicken wings in the roasted mackerel and leave that in the comments which one is the best chicken wings for you in Ireland, because Shane would be more than happy to try them all out. I am stuffed as a shock. Is that how you say it?
Full as a shock.
Full of a shock.
Full as a shock.
Full as a shock.
Slowly but surely she's turning it over.
I'm full as a shock.
What did you think of your food?
I loved it. I am honestly like, I can't walk. So let's just, I'm gonna roll down to the van. Look at this!
I think TJ has taken over your sack bag.
TJ's made for van life, aren't you? Look at him.
He is the best van life dog.
He's got so used to it.
Yeah, so quick.
Ta-da! Well, they're a bit messy. You're hanging everywhere.
It's I don't know what you call that. Good morning, guys. So we have woken up here at 𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗥𝗧, and last night I was so blowy. We have never slept in the van with the weather like this here, but we had a good night's sleep. TJ was loving van life. I think he is now a van life dog, but it is such a grey and dark day here, and that is why we don't really like winter van life as much as summer van life. There is not much to do. Like, it's currently just before 9 o'clock and it's still pretty dark, but we'll get used to it. So Annie is on the call right now, and we just have a little bit of work to do, and then we are going to head off somewhere else, probably go back to 𝗪𝗧 where we were yesterday, and we will start cooking our Christmas dinner and having our own Christmas day here in Fergus. Because a fun fact, we have never spent Christmas together in 10 years of knowing each other. We've always been in Ireland and Spain, so we're going to have our own little Christmas here in Ireland in Fergus. So let's get back in the van because it's pretty blowy and it's getting very chilly. It's like 5 degrees, so let's go.
So my work is done for the morning, and now let's go and cook some Christmas dinner in the van. Let's see how this turns out. Let's go.
So guys, we have made it to our park up here for today, where we are going to be cooking our Christmas dinner. And I just want to take a moment to especially thank this week's video sponsor, which is Foxeon. Now, you have seen us use their products like this 𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗥𝗧 1200 in the past. We have travelled all around Europe, Spain, France, Portugal, and this little guy right here kept us going the whole entire time, because we are on the road every single day of the summer and we are constantly trying to produce these travel videos. We have cameras, laptops, drones, and we need to keep them charged while on the road, and this is where the 𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗥𝗧 1200 comes in handy. Now, they do come in different sizes. We have the 600 and the 1200, and we would be absolutely lost without them. Now, they do have a bigger one, which is the 𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗥 3600, and we can't wait to get our hands on that there to try that one out, because that will be a game changer. So in today's video, we are going to be putting the 𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗥 1200 to the test, and we are going to be using it to power our air fryer and other devices to keep us going and try to make our Christmas dinner. Sit back, relax, and let us try and cook our Christmas dinner inside Fergus, because this here is going to be a challenge. Typical Irish weather. It was sunny 2 minutes ago, and now it's slashing rain. But still beautiful. As mentioned before, we are going to be using the Foxeon 𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗥𝗧 1200 to try and cook our Christmas dinner, and we got our hands on this little 1000-watt air fryer. So the 𝗙𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗥 1200 should be more than capable of powering this little guy, and we'll probably cook our turkey and ham in it, or our Yorkshire puddings or something like that. So let's start cooking. So let's get our stuff ready for Christmas. We have We have some carrots, 𝗦𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢, our turkey and ham. We have veg, Yorkshire puddings. So first of all we need to find some spuds. Two.
How many spuds?
4.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, it's not Christmas yet. Now it's Christmas. Now we can cook.
Annie is going to be on spud duty.
Right, so I have to share something with you guys, and it's that my life, it's a constant, oh my god, you look so awkward doing that. Because anytime I do anything, Shane says that I'm awkward because I'm left-handed. And Shane says, oh, you look so awkward doing that. Do I look awkward? I don't think so. I think it's 100%.
Okay, so up next is the most important thing of any Christmas dinner, and that is the turkey and ham. And we are going to be using the air fryer to hopefully cook this. I don't even know if they fit, but we are going to be using the 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗩𝗘𝗟𝗏 to power this air fryer. So let's get cooking. So we are cooking our turkey and ham with this little 1000-watt air fryer that we got in Curry's. And the cool thing about this is when it gets up to temperature, it kind of shuts off the heater, so it means that it's not pulling 880 watts constantly. It switches off to about 14 to 15 watts, so that means the 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗙𝗏 will last for ages. I think up to like 23 hours while cooking on this device here. So brilliant little device. Is going to make our lives so much more easier. And if you want to check them out, go to Curry's. They're only €35. Woo! Broccoli for you. Oh,
I can't believe that we are actually cooking a full Christmas dinner here in the middle of Donegal in our tiny van. Everything looks so delicious. I am so hungry. I cannot wait to start eating and trying everything out. The dinner is served, and it's served for everybody. So DJ has his wee bowl here.
DJ has his own wee bowl.
Look at, he's smelling it. Merry Christmas, DJ.
You enjoying that, TJ?
This is unreal. This is fancy. There you go.
Thank you.
That's nice. Starting to struggle.
I am making my way through it, and he is struggling. And TJ is loving his.
More.
He wants more. Out on a walk after Christmas dinner.
I am stuffed as anything. Today it's the end of December and we have some blue skies, so we have been so lucky with the weather, but oh my god, the sea is so rough today.
Hey, so we just want to wish every single one of you a happy Christmas.
Oh, a feliz Navidad.
And we just want to say a huge thank you to everybody who has subscribed to the channel. It's growing little by little. We are over 4,000 subscribers right now. So
we love this close-knit community that it's growing in our channel. We are so thankful for each and every one of you, and we are so happy to be able to share our travels, share our tips, and share all that kind of van life related content in this channel. And we are looking forward to traveling even more together in 2024.
Like when we started out, we did not think we would get over 4,000 subscribers.
No.
So to have all of you watching our videos means so much for us. And as Annie says, cannot wait for 2024 to see where Fergie the adventure bus takes us. God knows where. And how many breakdowns? Hopefully not. Come on, let's go, take it.
Feliz Navidad!